صباح الخير. Good morning. Medium.com is a website for content marketplace where you can write articles for readers and get paid for your work. Follow me in this video to check it. This is Medium. I will make a account now, so I will use my Gmail. So this is Medium, enter, and then get started. When you get started here, select sign up you're using your Google or Facebook or with your email. So I will use the Google or Gmail. This Gmail, I'm using it now. Create account, use for full name, create account. I think the account was created now. I can check. Now the account was created. Here, what are you interested in? Programming, data science. So programming, data science, machine learning, Python, artificial intelligence, web developing, work, education, JavaScript, design, money, business, then continue. Right, tell your story. So I have now an article. I write it in Arabic and I will translate to English. Because it's increase the number of characters, so I will use ChatGPT in translating. Translate the Arabic text to English. Then I will take this, copy, and we put here title here, and the title, I have the title here already. I have the title. This is the title. I will translate the title also. this is the title. I put in the title and then publish. Artificial intelligence, AI. So now it's published. Okay. So to start earn money, you have to write connect earn. Apply to this system by pressing apply on the medium.com. Okay. And then you need two ways to earn money. The first one is by member reading time. When members in this platform medium.com are reading your content, the more money you earn. The more reading your content, the more money you earn. Okay. So how to calculate the reading time? You can press here and you will do it after know the steps. The second way is referred memberships. In addition to the content you publish, you can refer readers to become medium members. Instead, just members to be medium members and get half of their membership fee. هتاخد نص الاشتراكات بتاعت الدفعوها. Net of standard payment processor fees for as long as they remain member. Learn more about referred membership. So the first thing, apply once you have met the eligibility criteria اللي هي ايه eligibility اللي هو يكون عندك 100 members are following you. Okay. Get accepted, celebrate to start earning publish stories with the meter my story box checked. Earn money when media members spend time reading your work. Boost earnings through referred membership. Get paid monthly. Okay. So here the eligibility criteria. Publish a story. You must publish at least one story to apply to the partner program. Start writing. You need to have at least 100 followers to apply. Get tips on building following. We stay active. You should publish at least once every 6 months to keep earning. Read writing prompts to spark an idea. وهنا الريدنج تايم active. Referred membership. How can you use this feature? In addition to partner program, earning based on member read time. Membership price 50, monthly 5. I will put the link to join this. Okay. And the second way here, start writing here. Okay, we know how to write. Get tips on building a following. All this, how to collect readers. Okay, and here read writing prompts to spark an idea. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Here I can click here, manage application, become a member, create, apply author verification, apply partner program, get membership, gift a membership, refine recommendations, setting,